What's up, y'all? If y'all follow me on Instagram, I'm sure y'all seen this before. My first custom ever. This is what I came up with. Doing a Hey Arnold theme. Hey Arnold and Helga. And yeah. I got done with Helga. I did Helga's face. Painted the body. I'll probably put a little clip of it right there. Then I went to do the stencil. See, on this stencil, I had, hey, I want to do better, so I created a stencil, slapped it on there, airbrushed everything, got it ready. Went to take the stencil off, the paint came up. So I had to scratch that and start it over. So this is where we at with Helga now. This is where the paint came up. Like, it wasn't no way around it. Broke my heart. I did all of this. I did Helga twice because I didn't like how Helga came out the first time. So got the acetone, just started erasing. I was sick, man. I was almost finished. I was ready. I wanted to post it because I wanted y'all to see the progress. I was excited, but didn't work out as planned, but I'm not giving up. I don't know if I'm going to do Helga again or if I'm going to switch it up because I told you I drew Helga twice. I'm tired of seeing Helga in this funky ass unibrow, but I don't know. This is where we at. This is where we at. So I just wanted to give y'all an update. Hey Arnold, first custom ever. This would have been the second one. This went smooth. Like, I didn't expect this to go as smooth as it did, but this gave me a run for my money, as you can see. Helga G. Pataki. Stupid Helga. Yeah. But let's see what we come up next. Be on the lookout. See what I do. If I do Helga again or maybe switch it up to something else. Just wanted to give y'all an update on where I'm at. This is what it is. Thank y'all for tuning in. I love y'all. Peace.